90 trillion cells working day and night, weaving new tapestry. A structure of bones enabling every movement. 206 bones with different structures for different movements. One of life's great gifts. At GPC, we are committed to the power of healing and disabling the disabilities. Inspired to convert fractures to fixtures, and devoted to building a healthier and stronger community, to restore the glitches in the natural movement we are blessed with. A trusted name in the field of manufacturing orthopedic implants, GPC Medical Limited promises innovative and high-precision technology to manufacture superior quality and reliable products. Our raw material is procured from the most trusted international and high-quality providers. Raw materials are thoroughly tested and stored with utmost care. Humans have a knack to evolve and improve at every opportunity. GPC believes there is no innovation without research. We think ahead of time and combine our expertise, experience and passion to give birth to new technologies in our extensive research center. Exceptional production capabilities, high-end technology and skilled workforce working over multiple manufacturing sites provide maximum flexibility to develop international standard medical implants at GPC. We ensure high levels of hygiene and cleanliness at all our manufacturing facilities, producing highly safe products. Our first and foremost concern is the quality of our products. We follow rigorous quality processes to ensure stringent quality control of all our products. We comply with various international quality standards such as CE, ISO 9001, ISO 13485 and WHO GMP. GPC is the only Indian company to have widest range of US FDA 510K approved implants. We are striving hard to ensure supply of quality products at low cost. At GPC, we believe miracles don't just happen. We make them possible because we care. This makes us the #1 choice of surgeons worldwide. We believe with care, technology and safety, we can improve healthcare standards substantially and serve humanity. GPC Medical Limited.